Let me show you how to make soft tasty egg roll and buns using one batter mixture. Even if it's your first time and you follow this recipe step by step, you're going to nail it. Whether you're baking for fun or you want to start a snacks business, this recipe is simple, tasty and very profitable. Let's dive right into the video. Hello dearest viewer, welcome to Bake with Exotic Creamery. If it's your first time coming across my channel, please like this video, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be among the first persons to get notified. This channel, I teach a lot of amazing recipes for business, for aspiring bakers, a whole lot of things you're going to learn. Kindly go through my channel and you're going to see some other videos to watch. Now we're making commercial egg roll and buns using one batter mixture, aka 2-in-1 recipe. Please don't skip any part of this video because each part of it promises to be very interesting. So we'll start by adding 3 cups of flour into a bowl. Now, this particular recipe gave me 3 egg roll and 8 buns. So if you're making more than that, feel free to multiply it into the quantity of egg roll and buns you want. So like if you're going for 16 buns and 6 egg roll, that means you're going to be using about 6 cups of flour thereabout. Even though some of the egg rolls, the buns were molded big, so it might give you something like 18 buns or something for that 6 cups of flour. So you're going to add in all your dry ingredients, mix all of them together, then go in with your butter. You don't have to miss adding butter to your flour mixture. If you miss it, your egg roll and your buns will come out strong. Now that's not what we want. We want a very soft yet tasty egg roll that once, even if you're using it for commercial purpose, your customers will always come back for it because it's rich and it's tasty. Please, have you liked this video? It's your own little way of supporting a creator. It will help the algorithm to push my videos to more people that want to see it. But if you don't like this video will flop and YouTube will throw it under the box. So please help me and like this video and drop a comment if possible. Observe how I'm trying to seal up the egg roll. The reason I'm doing this is because I don't want oil to get into our egg roll. So you have to seal it up properly by closing the edges very well. Just watch how I'm doing it and follow suit. You're going to get the exact result. So my dearest viewer, where are you watching from? Which country, which state are you watching this video from? I like to know. I like to connect with you. Drop your or location in the comment section. Let me say hi to you and thank you for watching Bake It Exotic Creamery. So we're going to proceed to frying our egg roll. Once we are done heating up our oil, you go ahead and fry. Note, your oil don't have to be extremely hot, like too much hot. It will get to a certain temperature and you start frying. Another very important thing, you're frying your egg roll on a medium to low heat. Medium to low heat. If you use high heat, the egg roll will cook outside and inside will not be done. So please, 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 please use medium to low heat. If not, only the outside of the egg roll will get cooked. The inside will still be raw, like raw flour. So please use medium heat. Now our tasty egg is ready. Believe me when I say this thing tasted so good. It tasted so good. Like everybody ate and wanted more. So imagine when you're using it for commercial purpose. Like your customers will be flocking around you because it is not that expensive, but there are a lot of things that enhance the flavor in this recipe. From the milk flavor to the vanilla flavor, all of them enhance the flavors in this recipe. So you should try this out and give me a feedback. Please let me know if you'll be trying this out. Bye and see you in my next video.